Every single programming tutorial has to have a 20-minute introduction, right? Wrong. I don't waste time, so this is going to be really quick. This is a Django course, and we're going to be using PyCharm's IDE Integrated Development Environment, along with Django, which is a Python framework to build powerful web applications. Now you might be saying, Ethan, what is a web application? Well, it is a website with fancy features in it that lets you log in users, get form data, work with databases, a lot of other stuff we'll discuss later on. Now, the prerequisites to this course, it is a Django beginner-friendly course, but I do want you to know a little bit about programming in general. Also, maybe have a basic knowledge of Python, kind of know how it works a little bit, and knowing HTML and CSS. It is a website course, so you do kind of want to know how to use those. All this stuff isn't 100% necessary, but it's going to help you out a lot if you know those. It'll be much more understandable. What will we learn? We're going to learn Django's basics. We're going to work through apps, which is how projects are structured, kind of. So each big component of the project is going to have its own app. We're going to work with views. Views is how the, let's see, how do I say this? How the requests are interpreted into visible web pages, basically. That's the views section. Then we're going to work on models, which is the structure of items in the database. And then we're going to work with admin. Admin is how the super user or system administrator can edit those models, and it's great for testing and trying to figure out what's wrong or what's right about your project. And the URLs is just what it sounds like. When you type a URL in your browser, it's going to take you to some view. So those URLs are managed in the URL files. And then we're going to have forms, which is how users can send information to the database. So it's great for like registering the user or maybe creating a post, things like that. And then we're going to learn some other tricks and tips along the way. What are we going to do? So I have not been able to decide which project we're going to work on. So if this course goes well, I may end up doing both. But here are your options for the first one. We're either going to do Djangomedia, and the tagline is the social media of the future. Or we're going to do Djangoshop, the tagline being because we don't really need Amazon. So comment which one you want below, and don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on the next video, and I will see you there.